Good morning, class. Today we are going to learn about agriculture and soil erosion. Let's start with some questions and answers. What is soil erosion?
Soil erosion is the process where the topsoil is removed from one place, transported and deposited in another place by water, wind, animals, or humans.
Can you name the types of soil erosion?
The types of soil erosion are 1. Splash erosion, 2. Sheet erosion, 3. Rill erosion, and 4. Gully erosion.
How does splash erosion occur?
Splash erosion happens when raindrops hit bare soil, breaking it into small particles. These particles are then splashed away in different directions.
Why is splash erosion more damaging on sloped land than flat land?
On sloped land, the splashed soil particles are more likely to be carried downhill by runoff, causing greater soil loss compared to flat land.
What are the signs of sheet erosion?
Signs of sheet erosion include 1. Exposed stones and plant roots. 2. Eroded soil and crop remains collected at lower areas of the slope. 3. Reduced crop yields due to loss of soil nutrients.
What is rill erosion and where can it be observed? Rill erosion occurs when water runoff forms small channels called rills. It can be seen on freshly cultivated land after heavy rainfall or on overgrazed areas. Why are gullies difficult to fix?
Gullies are deep and wide, making them hard to repair using simple farming tools like hoes.
How do trees help control soil erosion?
Trees help control soil erosion by protecting the soil from wind, reducing the speed of water runoff, preventing raindrops from directly hitting the soil.
What are 3 methods to control soil erosion?
Methods to control soil erosion include 1. Planting cover crops. 2. Building terraces. 3. Practicing contour plowing.
Why is it important to conserve soil?
Conserving soil is important because it supports agriculture and food production. It also prevents land from becoming, infertile. Plus, it helps protect water bodies and prevents hunger.
What are sunken beds and why are they useful?
Sunken beds are planting beds dug below ground level. They conserve water by reducing evaporation and are really useful in dry areas.
Name 2 creeping crops and their benefits.
Examples of creeping crops are 1. Sweet potatoes. They provide food and protect soil from erosion. 2. Watermelons. They are rich in vitamins that protect against diseases.
How can shiny reflective objects help in conserving crops?
Shiny reflective objects like CDs scare birds away by reflecting light and making distracting sounds, protecting crops from being eaten.
What are the benefits of mulching for creeping crops?
Mulching helps by conserving soil moisture, reducing weed growth, keeping fruits clean by preventing them from touching the soil.
Why should we use deterrents instead of killing wild animals?
Deterrents help protect crops without harming wild animals, allowing us to coexist and support tourism.